Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your export directory on the KineMaster application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster app on your device, and once you open it up, you can open up any of your old projects or create a new one right away. Once you open up your project, you can start editing within your timeline menu. Now, whenever you tap on the export button at the top right corner to export your videos, you can choose various different settings, such as your resolution, your frame rate, as well as your format and bitrate. However, there is no particular option to choose your directory. When you click on Save as Video, it will automatically begin to export your video right away. So if you wish to export your video in your desired directory, simply close your project and it will auto-save where you left off. From here, just click on the three dots alongside this project and you can then tap on Export as .kine file. When you tap on this, you will be shown a warning. Tap on the OK button and now you can choose your desired directory where you want to store this project save file. After choosing your directory, tap on the Select button and now this Kine file will be exported within this directory right away. Now, while you will not be able to export the entire video, you can still export your project file within a new directory of your choosing. And there you have it. That is how you can export your projects on the KineMaster editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.